Cardinal Scale Manufacturing Company's USA-made Model 201 Admix is an accurate and reliable weight-based admixture dispensing system designed for the ready-mix and concrete products industries. Cardinal's 201 Admix allows you to accurately dispense fluids by weight, by pulse, or independently where the controller directs the 201 Admix how much material to fill. As you can see here with the cover removed from the controller box, the 201 Admix provides a bold, highly visible half-inch high LCD readout of the amount of fluids being dispensed for a quick visual verification of weight status. Multiple dispenser systems installed side by side can each have their own unique color-coded LCD, since the 201 Admix features 7 different LCD colors available. You may calibrate the scale by your choice of weight or by fluid ounces. Static and dynamic trim help provide highly accurate valve discharge cutoffs for increased accuracy. The 201 Admix allows you to accurately hit your target weights each and every time. 4 programmable digital outputs are included for easy connectivity with a computer, PLC, or other smart device. Cardinal Scale's 201 Admix includes the USA-made Model 201 Admix controller with LCD, a polycarbonate box with clear smoke cover, the necessary relays, the scale itself consisting of the bottle mounting bracket and load cell. 3 different USA-made load cell capacities are available from Cardinal Scale. We thank you for your interest in Cardinal Scale's 201 Admix weight-based Admix dispensing system. For more information, please go online to www.cardinalscale.com and look for 201 Admix under the Weight Indicators product category, or call us toll-free at 1-800-441-4237. Since 1950, Cardinal Scale has been building a better way.